Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is a little bit different video than I usually post, but today I teamed up with Taylor Drew and her little sister Arwen, and we went ahead and did a makeup look on each side of her face, just to switch things up, I guess. I did a mermaid look and she did a princess butterfly kind of look on the other side. Yeah, it was really fun. I had a lot of fun getting to know these two girls, and I really enjoy being around them and their other sisters as well. Um, they're definitely a big group of really great girls, and they're definitely some of the most amazing girls that I've ever met. And yeah, I hope that they will continue to grow and continue to be awesome. Which I have no doubt that they will. But yeah, I guess good luck, guys. And yeah, thank you again for watching. And we're gonna have Arwen, the little girl, um, discuss basically what's kind of happening in just a couple seconds. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Cassidy Rose Makeup. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Right. Should we tell the camera what we're doing? Mm-hmm. Okay, what are we doing?
Being a princess.
You're getting princess makeup done?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Are you also getting mermaid makeup done?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, both of them? All right. Okay. And can you tell the camera your name? What's your name?
Arwen.
Arwen. Okay. I'm Cassidy.
I'm Taylor. I Hattie, and he is Hattie, and that is Elfie. What? And that is Elfie, and that is Dad. Bye.
Yes. Good job. All right. Are you ready? Are you going to tell them what colors we're going to use today?
Yeah.
Okay, what colors?
We're going to use the tiny one, the big one, the big one. Mm-hmm. And we do it here.
We're using pinks and purples.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pink and purple.
Oh, good job. All right, are we ready to do it?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Can you sit there for me again?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I also want to clear up a few things. My voice is normally not like this. I have a runny nose, and right here is really noticeable, but it's a scab, okay? And my side of the face I'm doing of Arwen is a butterfly. Butterfly princess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, and I'm doing the mermaid side.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to look so pretty.
No, I want to be a princess.
Yes, we'll be pretty princess with the pink lips, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pink, yes. All right.